HP's intelligent edge business, driven by the successful acquisition of Aruba Networks, saw significant growth, contributing to the company overall operating profits. But the compute and storage divisions are experiencing a slower period. Does this mean the edge is here to stay this time?
Yeah, I think it does. Obviously, the Aruba acquisition was a big one for HPE. Made a huge difference in their overall product line, and when it comes to the edge side of things, becomes a key piece of that. Obviously, their experience with the server and storage side of things can play into that edge story, but the connectivity of edge sometimes is the most difficult piece, and isn't or I should say wasn't before a core part of HP's business. So it's good to see that that's actually having the effect and kind of following the expectations that we all had for it when it happened. It's always good to see an acquisition help the company thrive, rather than it be bits and pieces that sometimes happen in the background. We've seen every version of that with HPE. So yeah, I mean, the edge is here to stay. It's a solid use case as data gets bigger and bigger and becomes more important to process in the right place. The edge becomes a key piece of that solution as you get big data sets out in the field that need to be processed as quickly as possible and acted upon as quickly as possible. You don't need the lag going back and forth there. So it's not surprising to see that that's what's floating HPE right now. Pure and Nutanix both recently announced their financial statements as well, and had similar improvements. I think slightly better than HPE overall, though HPE was pretty far up there. Of course, for those two companies, storage is a much bigger part of the puzzle for them. So, overall, the industry is getting better. Year over year, quarter over quarter, things are improving, and I think this is a great guide to that. That helps to exemplify the fact that things are improving there.